नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम जो है डैम ब्रेक एनालिसिस करेंगे यूजिंग हैग्रास। सो अब जो वीडियो मैं बनाने जा रहा हूं जिसमें आप डैम ब्रेक एनालिसिस सीखेंगे, इसमें हम जो है फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच टू डैम ब्रेक एनालिसिस और इसका रिजल्ट एनालिसिस तक हम जो है स्टडी करेंगे। सो इसके लिए मैं एक डैम ब्रेक एनालिसिस का सीरीज बना रहा हूं जो इस चैनल पे अपलोड होगी। सो दिस इज फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ डैम ब्रेक एनालिसिस। सो इन दैट वीडियो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट ए डैम, whereas or the hydraulic structure you want to breach, you want to make it like you want to do the breach analysis of that structure, you have to select that structure. So hypothetically this video or this series is purely based on hypothesis. There is nothing real, nothing, no data I have going to procure from anywhere. Everything is for demo purpose, for trial purpose. So it is not a real thing. This much area will affected by using like the area affected in these videos is not solely responsibility of the video creator. So here I'm just going to show you a trial and to train you or to teach you how we can do this dam break analysis in using Negras. So first of all, we have to select a dam. You have a dam, or you should have a dam to do the damage analysis. So I have selected this Khaira Kulkhani Dam, which is situated in Nepal. Kulkhani Dam, and this is Kulkhani Reservoir. The river is coming from this direction, it goes toward this direction, and which you can see this map, and where it is located, actual location. If I show you, and this is located somewhere here, and this is Kathmandu. This is below the Kathmandu, and it is if you are from India, so this is Raxaul, Bihar, and if you go from here, then you will reach to this dam location. So this is uh, like uh, towards Bihar side. This location is situated. So this is the dam which I have selected for the analysis purpose. Okay, this is for the analysis purpose. So uh, here, if we see the reservoir size, so it have enough size, it is coming from here, here till here. So in this series, we will work on purely hypothesis basis. So we will take the help of ChatGPT, uh, where we will learn about things what we have to take. If here, if you are going to do this dam break analysis, so if dam will breach from here, or overtopping takes place from here, or any type of breach takes place from here, piping and other things. So how much area it will inundate. So that thing we have to keep in mind while doing this dynamic analysis. So if breach takes place here, then let's chat to the chat GPT. Uh, Tell me how how uh, much area have to select or consider in DM for dam break analysis in downstream. Let's see what reply in dam break analysis. There is no fixed area. It's okay because it depends upon size to size. Okay. So upstream you have to take approx. You have to take the reservoir area, and then downstream it depends upon the floodplain and everything. So the dam area, if dam height is this much, you will take this much area. Dam height, it depends on the dam height. Okay, so here for the dam break analysis, you have to uh, need like dam PPR of dam, like everything about the dam. Then you can able to do this dam break analysis. And suppose here I'm going to take 10 kilometer or 20, 15 kilometer I'm going to take. Okay, so on that basis you have to do the temperature analysis. So first input is DM. So we have to get that DM. So for DM, I'm going to take as RTM DM, or you can write as RTM DM or Earth Explorer USGS. Let's open this Earth Explorer USGS for the DEM. Here I am taking as RTM DM, but for accuracy purpose, for everything purpose, uh, uh, you have to take at least better resolution for the dam area. You can take higher resolution for downstream and other things, but for the dam area and reservoir area, you have to take final resolution. Uh, how you can download the dam, how you can download the dam for for our area. That's internet is little bit slow. Yeah. Let's search that area where our study area is lying. That is in Nepal. So we have to go there. We have to zoom there from the Motihari. Where is Motihari? This is nearby Kathmandu. Let's change the. Here in this, so there is nothing like so. We need a street map in which we can identify the location. If we don't find the location, then we can create a camel file. Like these are the problems. So we can get the location. Okay, let's create a camel file for this area. So let's go to Google Earth, create the dam is, which dam was that? That is Bulkhani Reservoir. You can create here as well, but I feel easy in the Google Earth. Bulkhani Dam, Bulkhani Dam, Nepal. Okay. Let's go there. So here you will find the location. Let's make a camel file with the name Bulkhani. This area is line 45, zone 45. So you have to remember this zone 45. Bulkhani Reservoir. Okay. So here you will find Bulkhani Reservoir, which I have saved here. Where is that Kulikhani here? Kulikhani, we have to save place as camel, then save on desktop Kulikhani camel. Let's save it. And now go to the user site. From here you can select camel and Kulikhani, where is Kulikhani? Let's select Kulikhani and it will upload it and here it will locate you. Like here our location lies. So you can see that on this is Kathmandu, this is Kulikhani Reservoir. Okay, now you got the location. So you need like at least till here the dam. So let's go for the dam. We need data set. We need a digital model from SRT. 1 second. Let's see the results for this area. Okay, let's see how this area. Okay, in one like in one tile you will find the whole area, so you can download this demo, which is 1 second. Okay, we have to take this YouTube 1 second demo, and now I'm going to check referencing, spatial referencing, we need a projection system as well. So this location is lying nearby Kathmandu. Nearby Kathmandu. So we can click on projected and go here. This is 45 M and PRJ file we need. So we have downloaded the PRJ file. Here this is the PRJ file. Okay, so let's download the PRJ file and put it into a folder. This is dam break. Okay, so here projection. Let's put it into this. Let's open ArcMap as well because we need to georeference the things. So this is the DEM which we have to put into a folder. Let's put it in this folder. Okay, let's give it to name DEM. Okay, this is not projected DEM. Okay, for that, okay, let me try one more thing in Hagras. Okay, what thing I'm going to try. Let's open the Hagras. Okay, Hagras is open now. So first of all, I'm going to create a project. Okay, break is the let's give a unit system to it. SI unit system we need. So I have unit system to that you have to go to projection and your projection system. And here you can this is the projection. Let's check how we can download the terrain. So if you want to download the terrain from USGS for current view, okay, okay, if you have saved file, you can download. Okay, current view. Okay, I will explain it later. Currently, I have TM, which I have to create, and I have to change this production system. Okay, so this is the TM, which have production system. And, project cluster, and you can do this projection. This DM, which I have to do the projection. Originally, this is in JCS WS 1984. To the path in the same area, time projected the TIFF and output coordinate system, as you see that it is designed W45 and is 1984 Northern Hemisphere 55 and that is in 55. Okay. It will take a little time. Well, here as you see projection has been done. This is the projected dam. In it you can see that this is the reference system, and if you want to upload this thing, this RAS mapper, you have to just click here, you have to just create your RAS and click here and go to your dam, select projected dam, click here, you have this cell size is 30 meter approx, you have to just create it, and it will take time because it have lots of area beyond your study area, so take time, it will take time. You can like click or you can extract or if you have save file of your study area, you can take that, otherwise you will have to upload that same on this Hackras section. Here you can see that where your study area lies, you have to find out that if this dam is okay or not. So for that, I will explain you in next video of this series. Thank you for today this video, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.